Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Super Centers in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a great rig. This is a Coachmen product and it's called an Apex Ultra Lite. They don't give, it comes by that name honestly. It's really a lightweight trailer for its size. Definitely what people would call a half-ton towable. And you want to check your numbers usually with a half-ton truck because some don't pull nearly as much as another. But this one's going to be good behind almost any half-ton truck for sure. It only weighs about 4,600 pounds dry. Let's take a look inside and then we'll take a spin around the outside. Follow me. Now the thing about this trailer that's interesting is that it's a great floor plan because it's not too big and yet it has a lot of great positions in it. It has a full queen bed in the front, and as you look up here in the front you're going to see that we have a front window. Something very unusual now to have a front window in a trailer. For years we haven't seen any that have front windows, but it just throws around a lot of light. It makes it much nicer. Has a lot of storage up here. In fact, I love these little angled cabinets because it's easy to get in and make your bed. As we go forward, we see the main living area. We have some separation from the bed to this main living area. We've got a family seating area. This is a horseshoe dinette. We've got it folded down in the bedding position right now. But what's really great about this is all storage and it's all seating. And I can make it as a U-shaped dinette or as a face-to-face across dinette. It gives me both choices, which is really unusual. If we look back here, we see we have the big double bunks, and these things are great because first of all they'll hold a lot of weight. You can definitely put an adult in here and they'll hold a lot of gear. Sometimes you just want cargo space and bunks work really good for that. Underneath this whole area is storage and things that we'll take a look at on the outside, but it's pretty open and I guess that's one thing I like. We also take a look here and see that we have a really nice bathroom with a big skylight, plenty of room and not dark and congested. Very nice, comfortable bathroom. It's got a medicine cabinet and stuff that you need. So in the kitchen here, we see a couple of things I like to point out. This is a solid surface countertop. It doesn't have any T-molding in it, which means it isn't going to come apart over time. And it's got a recessed sink. So if you have moisture or any debris or food or anything on the counter, you can just wipe it right into the sink. There's no little goopy rim around the edge of your sink to stack things up. Got a nice big single handle faucet, and it's got really good storage. For an ultralight, it's often hard to find something that has an oven. This has a glass-fronted oven, a glass-top stove with 3 burners, and a full-size fridge and freezer. So in this weight category, it's nice to see all those features. Now, before we go outside, I want to tell you something else about this trailer. This has a solid core roof. The roof doesn't have dead air space in it like a regular truss roof does. It's one piece. So there's no place for water to be up in this roof. It's one piece of material, block polystyrene foam, and it's bonded together with its membrane on the top. It's really a good way to do it. The sidewalls are even better on this because it uses a special material here in an underlayment called Asdel. Most trailers have a layer of wood under their fiberglass, so even aluminum frame trailers still have problems with delamination and dry rot. But this trailer doesn't have that issue because of the Asdel underlayment. Follow me outside. Now this is a beautiful trailer on the exterior. They've really done a great job of putting things together. First of all, we've got a nice cap on the front. Here you can see that beautiful front window again. And then you've got on the front storage, really a large storage area with solid thick cabinet doors. These thick cabinet doors really help insulate the trailer and keep moisture and dust on the outside. It's got a solar panel connector for portable solar. That's dynamite. As we walk around here, we see we have a power awning, outside speakers. We have dark tinted glass. This is the frameless window, which is people really like because you don't get as much heat transfer and condensation inside the trailer. We have beautiful alloy wheels on this trailer. I was mentioning earlier that we have something underneath that bunkhouse area for storage. There's an outside galley space. We have a refrigerator. We have a little gas grill that we can pull out and access here. We got some countertop storage, even got a soda pop opener. So it's dynamite. You can use this inside and out cooking. Gives it a little bit more fun and versatility. Another thing that's really nice about this trailer is that it's pre-wired for a backup camera So if you decide you want backup camera on your trailer, this is all set up for it. We have a nice crown to the roof, so we have good water runoff. There's a lot more to show you in this trailer. I'd love to show it to you myself. If you can come to Junction City or call me if you have a question, I'd be happy to talk to you. My name's Matt Elliott. You can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.